Alrighty, let's continue along. I did go ahead and finish. Is 6 a factor of 84? Yes, and here's the division here. And then the number 4 was a prime number. Can a prime number be a multiple of any other number except itself? Explain why or why not. Well, yes, it can, because prime numbers are 1 times itself, and therefore it is a multiple of 1. All prime numbers have 1 as a multiples of 1. All right, let's go to the flippity-doo-dah day. All right, for this one, you're going to need some colored pencils for this one, crayons or something, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're going to fill in this chart to 100 and by following the instructions. And I'll just go down here real quick. You're going to need a red, you're going to need a green, and a blue. A red, green, and blue. So let's see what we got here. We got a red, a green, and we got a blue. All right, so here's what we're going to do. For the red ones, we're going to do we'll circle all the multiple twos in red. Then we're going to shade green the multiples of 3s, and then we're going to circle in blue the multiples of 5. Okay, so we'll just follow along the instructions. Let's just do this. So the first one says to circle in red all the multiples of 2 in red. Yeah, let's get the right color here. All right. Well, that's going to be easy. It's going to be all of the even numbers. So we're going to circle all multiples of 2. And it'd be the same thing as counting by 2's all the way to 100. And of course, that means we are going to be circling. Let's do the quick calculations. Talking while I'm circling is a dangerous thing, but I'll give her a go. I should be circling somewhere around 50 numbers here, which means there's 50 numbers here that have, oops, skip one there, see what happens when you talk and you circle at the same time? I circled one I shouldn't have. All right, so I'm going to need to do something about that old number 89 because that's not supposed to be circled. So, well, let's see, what can we do about that there? All right, well, let's kind of put a new face on it. And we're going to put that's old number 89, which has no circle on it. There's no circle there. Okay. And it's just to remind you, it's sometimes you don't really want to be talking while you're working because that's how mistakes can be made. Okay, so 89 is not circled. All right. So then we're going to go to green, multiples of 3. So let's see, 3, 6. Oh, wait, actually, it doesn't say to circle it. It says to shade it. Oh, okay, shade. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 44, 45, 48, 50, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72. You can see there's kind of a pattern here. 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 91, 92, 93, 96, 99. Well, so that got rid of a whole bunch right there. Then the next thing it says to do is to circle in blue the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay. All right. Wow, let's see. So, what else did it say to do? Draw an X over the multiples of 10 and X over the multiples of 10. All right. X, 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 X. All right. So, now, let's see what we have here. Okay, I didn't answer all the questions. Now I got to go down and answer the questions. So that's basically what I have left. All right, now let's look at our questions. Okay, when a number is a multiple of 2, what are the possible values in the ones digits? For 2's, we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, and we have 0. Those are what can be in the ones place. Okay, and then the next question says, what do you notice about the sum of the digits? What do you notice about the sum of the digits? For 3, choose another. What do you notice about the sum of the digits? The sum of the digits. The sum of the digits when you're with multiples of 3. All right, that's 3, the sum of the digits. 1 and 2 is 3. 1 and 5 is 6. Well, let's look at some of these other ones that are in green. 5 and 4 is, well, let's come down here. 8 and 4 is 12. 8 and 7 is 15. 9 and 9 is 18. 9 and 6 is 15. 9 and 3 is 12. I noticed something. I noticed that the sum of the digits, sum of the digits, is a multiple of 3. Well, that could become useful if we're trying to find out if it's a prime number or not. Very nice. All right. And let's look at this one. When a number is a multiple of 5, what are the possible values in the ones place? Well, that's easy. That's just 5 and 0. And what do all the multiples of 10 have in common? They have zeros. They have 0. They have a 0 in the ones place. Okay, bada bing. And there's only one other thing I've got left to tell you. And I'll leave this for you to ponder. All the ones that have no marks on them, no marks, including 89, which shouldn't have any mark on it, are a certain kind of number. I'm going to leave that for you to figure out. Wonder what that could be. What are all the ones called that don't have any marks on them? Well, again, I'm not going to tell you that. I'm going to leave that for you to ponder. And so I only got one thing to say to you, and that's a happy pondering. So keep on pondering, and I'll see